The PGPM program at SPJIMR differentiates itself very strongly with any such offering in the marketplace right now. We offer 4 specializations: marketing, finance, information management and operations management. The minimum requirement of a participant for being eligible for this program is 5 years of work experience in the relevant domain, and when they write their application they have to present a strong case for why they are choosing the area of specialization, what they intend to pursue here. The whole selection process is then geared around identifying the right fit for the program. So if you look at the positioning of the program, it's basically we say that we are career accelerators. So you can come to this place, leverage your past, identify your strengths, hone it further with the skill set or the leadership training that we do throughout the 1 year of rigorous on-campus module. And before on-campus module also, they do a 3 months online blended learning which revolves around basic foundation level of courses in all the different functional areas that they should know and the basic understanding in the business. So besides the relevant work experience of about 5 years in their chosen area of specialization, the other criteria that is required for admission to this program is consistent past academic record. The consistency in the past academic record gives us some indication as to whether the individual will be able to handle the rigor of the program. And the other basic criteria for admission is then the CAT, ZAT or the GMAT scores. The last 3 years CAT, ZAT or GMAT scores stay relevant for application, but if you have not appeared for a test till now, you can appear for the next GMAT test before any date before 31st of August of this particular year. So these are the basic criteria that is required for a minimum eligibility of the application. The second phase starts with an interview shortlisting and the interview process. So we shortlist and we communicate the dates to individuals for an interview process. Our interview process is a 2-step process which has got 2 rounds. So round 1 and a round 2. Round 1 basically tests the technical knowledge or the expertise or the fitment of the individual for an area of specialization that he has chosen at the time of making an application, and the round 2 basically checks you on your overall holistic personality, and the scores of both the rounds are then compiled together along with your other academic credentials, past academic credentials, to come out with a shortlist or a merit list somewhere around in September. The average experience of our current batch is about 7 years, and designing a curriculum which is current and relevant for such a diverse group of participants is quite a challenging task. But curriculum matters a lot because it has an impact on the participants. So our curriculum is anchored in such a way that initially the first phase of our curriculum focuses on delivering breadth of topics from diverse functional groups wherein all the participants sit in one class and undergo a common training. After completing successful completion of their initial phase of training in core curriculum, they then get promoted to specialization phase wherein the depth of topics is covered, keeping in mind their past experience and delivering topics which are more current and relevant, which can help them get better prospective placements in the times to come. So out of the total 240 hours of their training in their respective specialization areas, about 60 hours they complete in an international partner school. For example, marketing and finance cohort this year, they traveled to Cornell University, whereas the information management group went to Austin, Texas to complete their super specialization, and our operation management group, they traveled to Michigan State University in US. So after completing their specialization training, the last leg of the program, they get an opportunity to choose their topics from diverse group of functional areas, as well as there are some offerings from general management area wherein they are allowed to choose around 6 credits or 6 courses from different functional areas of their own interest. For example, suppose a student is specializing in finance but would want to know more about key account management. So this last leg or the last phase of our curriculum basically focuses on giving them wide variety of topics wherein they are freely choosing 6 courses, and this is how they complete their training and the PGPM program.